Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to do another opening for the BohemStyle monthly subscription box. In case you're new to this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to try and leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in the description bar. But keep in mind that a lot of the stuff in this box is exclusive for the box. So if you really like what you see in the box, you're just better off to get the box, alright? So, a couple things before I open this box. I'm sick right now. I got sick Sunday. I went to Universal Studios on Sunday, and I got sick like at 3 o'clock in the morning. I woke up and I'm like, oh no, I think I'm sick. And I was really bummed because I wanted to go so bad. But, it's so Saturday night, I was doing my nails, and I have to say this because there's usually 1 to 2 people that hate when my nails are really long, and I was doing my nails Saturday night, and I'm like, you know what, if I shorten these, it's going to take a longer time to do my nails. I think I'll just do them at full length and then trim them before I videotape. But then I got sick, and so I am apologizing to the 1 or 2 people that are going to be complaining about my really long nails, okay? I will trim them down once I start feeling a little bit better, but I just had to get this video out before I start getting really sick. So, yeah, I'm going to try and film 3 videos, and, hopefully I can edit in bed if I don't fall asleep from the medicine, okay? So, let's go ahead and open this up. Again, if you're new to this box, this is jewelry grade cord. It is wax cotton cord. I save these all the time, and I have like a jar of them now, and I think they would be great for making like macrame earrings or whatever, wrap bracelets. You can do all kinds of stuff with that. It's like 2 feet long. Okay, so in here, oh look at that. I hope you did not see. You might have seen the secret link. So if there's a section cut out, it's because I had to cut out the secret. Like, they changed the paper. It's different. Yeah. The link is here. So there's our project. That looks really cool. It looks like just a necklace. I wonder if they forgot to take a picture of the bracelet. I actually did that one time. I made a design and I forgot to take a picture of the bracelet, and I had to go back and do that. So let's see what we're going to have. A reminder, I just did a tutorial on this flower ring. I also did flower earrings. I'll put a picture up now in case you missed that. Alright, so all you have to do is take the title that you saw in that picture, go to YouTube, put the title in, or go to my YouTube channel. You could go to playlists, go to rings. I have like 80 something ring tutorials, okay? Chances are you have not seen all of my ring tutorials. So go to my playlist, go to my rings, you'll see them there. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Those are metal beads. I do have my scooper. Even though I'm sick, I prepared this time. I remembered the scooper. Those are a little unusual, huh? Cool. I was really hoping that I was going to avoid getting sick. Because my family, just about everybody in my family has gotten sick. And usually what happens is one person will get sick, and then somebody else will get it. And then we all take turns passing it around. And then the first few people that got sick will get sick a second time. These beads are awesome. I've gotten them before. The little metal eye beads. I've gotten these in the Czech Beads exclusive box, and I made a bracelet, 2 bracelets with them. I think I'll have to go look for that picture. Hopefully I can find it. These are called evil eye beads. They're supposed to wear off evil, but if you look into them more, in Hollywood stuff, people say that they are part of evil. So there's like different ways to look at it. Okay. These are 3mm Czech fire polish beads. I think this might be the pastel line, which means there's a coating on this bead. The bead is actually white. It is like a powdery coating on it. Those are pretty. Hot pink. It's like impossible to find hot pink glass beads that are not natural, that are actually like that glass. They don't exist. So if you ever, by the way, if you ever want this color, it's going to be in a painted bead. You'll never find it in an opaque glass. You know what I'm saying? There's just colors like that. Like probably all dyed or all pink gemstone beads, hot pink, are probably dyed. There's probably not a natural one. Oh my gosh, it's a little Buddha head. That's cool. I found a raw brass Buddha head one time in a hoard of beads that I got from Macari. That was super cool. I ended up finding it on Etsy for like 20 bucks. Crazy. I would never pay 20 bucks for one bead. Those are crypt beads there. These are beads? Yeah, these are beads. Okay. Those are really fancy. Like the most detailed metal beads I've ever seen. They're large too. The hole's right there. Pretty cool. And then jump rings. Oh, I love these. They're table cut Czech glass heart beads. I've gotten these before. I can't point out though designs that I've made with them. By the way, I recently uploaded my 1000th video, and that was my ring tutorial. So that was a big milestone for me. 1,000 videos, that's a lot of work. Those are cool. And this pink on here is a wash. I do think over time it would probably come off. You know, being rough with it. If you like wash your hands and stuff like that. And that's like a periwinkle blue. And then, what are these? Oh my gosh, did you guys see the last BohemStyle box we got? It was off the hook. It was epic. I'll put a picture up for that. Alrighty, so these here are little flowers. No, they're not. They're crosses. Like a crusader looking cross, I think. Yeah, those are kind of unusual. They have big holes. He did be a little flat, like a coin, more coin shape, but they have like a barrel shape from the side with that pattern on there. Okay, and then what is that? Oh, it's a bale. It's a really little guy, super tiny. Wonder if the heart's gonna be in that. One of the hearts. And then, hold on. I got the cold brain fog. What the heck's it called? Head pins. That's what they're called. Yes. I got brain frog. Lobster claw clasps. They're the tiny ones. They're little. Those might be 9mm. Or 10. This is for the tassel in the picture. Yeah. There's going to be a tassel on this necklace. And we're going to probably glue that in there. And then we got an eye pin. And what else? Oh, we got a Lotus charm. Is this double-sided? Oh my gosh, they gave us more of those beads. Oh my gosh, I love those. Oh, I put the bracelet away. Hold on, I'll get to that. So there's a little charm. It's double-sided. I love that. Hey, didn't I get a Lotus charm? Oh, I'm trying to remember. There was a Terra Cast Lotus charm that I got. I made earrings with it. I stitched onto it. I'll put a picture up. It's with a necklace. I'm trying to remember. There was Lotus beads, Czech Clasps beads, but I thought there was also a Lotus charm. I want to say I beaded onto the charm. Again, I got the cold mind, so hopefully you understand what I'm saying there. So these beads here, we got these 2 or 3 months ago in the Czech Beads exclusive box, which I will be opening next. And I made a memory wire bracelet with it. They were epic. This bag is loaded. I'm surprised they didn't give us a bigger bag because it like barely fit in here. So they're beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They make me think of agate, but they're glass. Aren't those just precious? They're 8mm Czech Drox hurricane glass. They're so pretty. I love those. And we probably won't be able to reorder these, but I have noticed, and I also had somebody in the comments say that a few months from now these beads will become available for repurchase. So if you keep the baggie and you wait, you probably will be able to reorder them if they're not sold out. Alrighty. Okay, everybody get back in the bag. Uh-oh. I think I had 2 run away, or roll away. So I'll go get those. We got 1 bag left. No way. Are these bigger? No, they're not? Oh my gosh, there's more. No way. Y'all, these beads are fancy, okay? These aren't cheap beads. I don't think I'm gonna open the next bag because I have to go get the runaways. But wow, that's epic. I'm really excited. Those beads are just so pretty. Cannot wait for this. So again, that's the last bag. Oh wait, here's the tassel. Cool. So I'm probably gonna glue this in here. Yeah, probably with E6000 glue. So yeah. Alrighty. Oh, there's a string here. That one right there we used to tie around. I don't know if you could see it or not. It is like the same color. Anyways, you will see a picture for this project at the beginning and end of the video, what everything looks like put together. I'm thinking there might be a bracelet and they forgot to take a picture because I have done that myself and actually noticed that on a recent project they did that they forgot to take a picture of the bracelet. But I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see. Okay? So this is it. I'm going to link this subscription box, BohemStyle. I'm going to link it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to link these here individually, but again, these here you cannot rebuy those. And are these for resale? I don't know. I would have to check that, but yeah. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure to click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.